What's the meaning of brain teaser? Brain teaser. Brain teaser.
Brain teaser. Brain teaser. A brain teaser is a type of puzzle or problem that challenges the mind and requires creative thinking to solve. These types of puzzles often involve thinking outside of the box and using logic and reasoning skills. The purpose of a brain teaser is to exercise the brain and improve mental agility. Solving brain teasers can be fun and entertaining while also providing mental stimulation. They are often used as a form of educational or recreational activity to enhance cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Overall, a brain teaser is a challenging and enjoyable way to keep the mind sharp and active.